If your diesel truck feels weak, struggles uphill, or barely accelerates anymore, stop ignoring it, because one of these dangerous problems could destroy your engine if you do not replace it now. Before you rush to a mechanic and spend thousands of dollars, there are several things you can check yourself. In this video, I will walk you through the 5 most common reasons diesel engines lose power and the smartest order to inspect them, starting with the cheapest fixes first. Number 1. Clogged fuel filters. This is the most common cause of diesel power loss, and almost every diesel owner deals with it sooner or later. Your fuel filters protect the engine from dirt, debris, and water hiding inside the diesel fuel. Over time, those contaminants build up until fuel can no longer flow correctly. Most diesel trucks use both a primary and secondary filter, and once either one gets restricted, your engine starts starving for fuel. You will notice weak acceleration, hesitation under heavy load, poor pulling power uphill, and sluggish throttle response. The engine may sputter while towing or passing another vehicle. The fix is, replace both filters together, not just one, because if one filter is clogged, the second filter is usually close behind. Number 2. Failing glow plugs. Glow plugs help heat the combustion chambers so diesel fuel can ignite correctly, especially during cold starts. When glow plugs fail, your engine struggles to run efficiently and loses power. You may notice hard starting in the morning, rough idling, white smoke from the exhaust, and poor acceleration until the engine fully warms up. Bad glow plugs also create incomplete combustion, which causes carbon buildup inside the engine over time. That buildup can lead to even more performance problems later. If your diesel feels rough and weak during cold weather, bad glow plugs may be the reason. Number 3. Dirty fuel injectors. Diesel injectors operate under high pressure and must spray fuel with precise timing. Once they become dirty or clogged with carbon deposits, fuel delivery becomes uneven and power drops almost immediately. Lower diesel fuel and neglected maintenance make this problem worse. Symptoms include black smoke, rough idle, engine misfires, reduced fuel economy, and slow acceleration. Your truck may feel like it is working harder while producing less power. An injector cleaner may help in mild cases, but badly clogged injectors often require professional cleaning or complete replacement. Number 4. A clogged DPF filter. The diesel particulate filter traps soot from the exhaust system, but when it becomes blocked, exhaust flow gets restricted, and your engine cannot breathe properly. This problem is common for drivers who mostly take short trips or spend too much time in city traffic. You may see a DPF warning light, reduced engine performance, higher fuel consumption, or even limp mode. Sometimes a long highway drive can trigger regeneration and burn the soot away, but severe blockages usually need professional cleaning. Number 5. A dirty air filter. Diesel engines require huge amounts of clean air for proper combustion. When the air filter becomes packed with dirt, airflow drops and engine performance suffers immediately. The truck may accelerate slowly, produce black smoke, and feel weaker than normal. The good news is that this is one of the easiest and cheapest fixes. Open the air filter housing and inspect the filter. If it looks dark, dusty, or clogged, replace it immediately. Most of these power loss problems can be avoided with maintenance, diesel fuel, regular filter changes, and paying attention to warning lights before small issues turn into repair bills that cost thousands later.